Hi there, Naga this side, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you use VidClassio, and extremely simple it is. Now for the ease of your usage, what I have done is I have created a new account for myself, right? And this is a fresh account, and so I can use it right in front of you. Okay. However, that does not matter, but just to make things easy. So when you will log in, you will be able to see the templates like this, right? And let's select a template, for example this one. Okay, so you will see the video just to make things easy, whether you want to select it or not. Okay, and let me click on create. Okay, now this is the template, and over here it will ask you to upload your image. Alright, now you can simply click on it, and for the ease I have already uploaded an image. So this is the image. I will just click on selecting the image. Now you can see that my V is right over here. Okay, don't mind the logo that is behind it, that is the template logo. Okay, so our V is right over here. Now simply what you need to do is click on next, and from here you can select the music. And now as per the templates we have already predefined the music, but just in case if you want to select some other music, you can select it right from here. Okay, so this is the music that has already been selected. I will simply click on next, and now according to my settings my video is over here. Simply click on start rendering. Now this will take around 1 minute max, 30 seconds to 1 minute, and your video would be available over here, and you can simply download it right from here. Okay, so inside your dashboard you can see this projects tab, and over here inside the projects tab you can simply come here and you can download all your projects. So this is how it has to be done. Okay, quite simple. And just in case if you have if you face any error, or maybe just in case if you have any query, just feel free to contact us at the support, and we are more than happy to help you. All right, signing off. Bye bye.